Let's enjoy the jam. Ha, ha, ha. Fed start to rain now, start to rain now. Watch our whole set of woman. But them boys rather go and fight the side of the jam.
Okay, now welcome to
Hey guys, what's up? If you was here the last time, you know that I got a drone and I also got some accessories. So, what accessories I got? What I got in my box is starter kit. Lens cleaning fluid, so it could clean like the camera and stuff. It's supposed to be 3 universal screen protectors, Wi-Fi range, Wi-Fi booster, sorry. And this is one to tear off. I hate when you tear something and then it doesn't tear everything. It's like just goes off. Why is it even in there? Why did they even put it in there? Just like this. Sunshade, extra propellers, a bag. What else I got? This. Put your tablet inside. But I don't have any, so yeah. Best class. I got a VR headset. Whoa. This is cool. Virtual reality glasses. I can also fly the drone with this, so it's gonna be cool. So if there are any more cool accessories you think I should have or gadgets, just leave in a comment below and then probably might be my next video. So I'm walking to the park since I don't have any bike. Guys, whoa. I'm walking to the park right now and it's hailing. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's not snowing, it's hailing. Like ice blocks. Impossible. The whole day it was sunny. Just when I came outside, it started to rain. Every time I try to fly my drone, it starts to rain. Wow. Whoa. There's like this festival kind of stuff. A mini festival. You're gonna see what's up. Ready? Which one I'm gonna ride? That one. Well, not a Spark, but a toy drone. Oh, it's very. Oh, yeah. Whoa. Land, and it's also driving on the road. Awesome. Okay guys, so I'm in the park and my drone is ready to go. The festival is over there. So let's take off.